guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Anna Filingera. On today's video, I will going to teach you on how to use this instawave automatic curler by Kiss New York. So here, you can adjust it, this one, from low to high. And then if you want the curl to outside or inside, you can press the left and right button. So this time, I will going to show to you on how to use this instawave automatic curl. So guys, we will choose the low. So you hear the sound. That sounds is the timer. Let's get a small amount of our hair, and then let's press it if we want in or out. So I want in, so let's press the left button. So guys, if you hear the sounds, it means it's time out. It's up to you if you're going to wait that sound, but for me, I don't want to wait it. So let's just, okay. So you see guys, the result. That's from the tip of your hair. If you want the whole, your whole hair, you can do it. If you want the whole hair. See? You saw it, how to use this one. Yes, it's very, very nice, guys. So, see, guys, automatic. It's automatic. You just press it, and the curler will do it for you. So guys, let's put some gel to our hair. So here we go. It's beautiful. So you see the effect. It's curl. it's very easy to use this instawave automatic curler. So if you want to buy this, just click the link on the description box. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!